Hi, what's up there? This is Satimsa, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to make privacy policy for your blogger. Before jumping into this video, please make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon. And if you want to get more information about tech, then visit my website www.raticcorporation.blogspot.com. Okay, guys, let's jump into this video. Okay, guys, first you need to open your browser, then click here, then search here privacypolicies.com, then click on go, then click on start creating your privacy policy. Now you can see where will your privacy policy be used. Click on website. Now click on next step. First you need to paste your website URL here. For that, click here, then click on new tab, then type your website name over here. Space 998.blogspot.com is my new website. Then click on go, then click here on your website name, then click here. Now your website URL is copied. Then click here, then go to privacy policies again, then paste your website URL over here. Now type your website name, space, then you can see over here two options. Click here, I'm an individual, then choose a country name, then search here Nepal, then click on next step. What kind of personal information do you collect from user? Click on email address. Next step. How can users contact you for any questions? Click here by email, then type your email address over here, then click on the next step. Now take this option. Now click here, next step. Then type your email address. Then click on generate. Then click on generate. Now copy this link, copied, then click here, now click on new tab, then paste the link over here, then click on go. First, copy this privacy policy. I have copied this privacy policy. Now go up, then go back, and then go to blogger website, then click on go. Okay, now click here, over here, three lines, then click on pages. Now click here, over here, on plus icon. Then paste the privacy policy over here, and okay. Then now, okay, now click here on title and title this privacy policy. Then click here on publish, then click on confirm. Okay, now your privacy policy is published, but you can't see your privacy policy. For that, go again here, then click here on three lines and go to layout, and you can see over here three lines, three dots. Click on it, then click on desktop site. Gadget, you can see over here pages. Click on edit, now tick this option, privacy policy, then click on save. Okay, then click here, over here, save. Now click on view blog. Yeah, privacy policies. If you are new here, then make sure to subscribe and you also press the bell icon, and please follow me on all of my social media. You can find the link in the description down below, and please visit my website www.raticcorporation.blogspot.com. Okay guys, that's it. Bye bye.